What is the minimum width of an exit corridor? What is the minimum width of an exit corridor? The answer is 1.10 meters. 1.10 meters. Next, what is the minimum number of exit for floors above the first story having an occupant load of more than 10? I repeat, what is the minimum number of exit for floors above the first story having an occupant load of more than 10? The answer is 2 exit. 2 exits. What is the number of exit for occupant load of 599 to 999 persons? What is the number of exit for occupant load of 599 to 999 persons? The answer is 3 exits. 3 exits. What is the minimum downward projection of a draft curtain? What is the minimum downward projection of a draft curtain? The answer is 0.30 meter. 0.30 meter. Next, what is the maximum floor area of an attic made of combustible materials? What is the maximum floor area of an attic made of combustible materials? The answer is 250 square meters. 250 square meters. Next, what is the maximum center to center spacing of a draft curtain sprinkler? What is the maximum center to center spacing of a draft curtain sprinkler? The answer is 1.80 meters. 1.80 meters. Next, what is the maximum floor area of an attic made of incombustible materials? I repeat, what is the maximum floor area for an attic made of incombustible materials? Incombustible materials. The answer is 750 square meters. 750 square meters. What is the standard gauge for metal hoods in barbecues? What is the standard gauge for metal hoods in barbecues? The answer is gauge 18. Gauge 18. Next, minimum height of a chamois connection above grade. What is the minimum height of a chamois connection above grade? The answer is 300 millimeter or 0.30 meter. 300 millimeter or 0.30 meter. Next, what is the standard maximum distance of a standpipe from an opening in a stairway? What is the standard maximum distance of a standpipe from an opening in a stairway? The answer is 300 millimeter or 0.30 meter. 300 millimeter or 0.30 meter. Next, what is the minimum wall thickness of a fireplace? What is the minimum wall thickness of a fireplace? The answer is 200 millimeter or 0.20 meter. 200 millimeter or 0.20 meter. What is the minimum number of exit for a projection room? What is the minimum number of exit for a projection room? The answer is 2 exits. 2 exits. Next, what is the minimum extended portion of a chimney above the roof? What is the minimum extended portion of a chimney above the roof? The answer is 600 millimeter or 0.60 meter. 600 millimeter or 0.60 meter. Next, what is the minimum air space between walls of a masonry chimney above the roof? What is the minimum air space between walls of a chimney above the roof? The answer is 2 inches. 2 inches or 50 millimeter. Next, what is the minimum thickness of a glass used for floors? Minimum thickness of glass used for floors. The answer is 12.5 millimeter. 12.5 millimeter. Next, what is the maximum rise of one row of seat to the next? This is for theaters or assembly. Oh no. I repeat, the maximum rise of one row of seat to the next seat. The answer is 400 millimeter or 0.40 meter. 400 millimeter or 0.40 meter. Next, what is the minimum number of exit for stands within a building serving an occupant load of 300? I repeat, what is the minimum number of exit for stands within a building serving an occupant load of 300? The answer is 3 exits. 3 exits. Next, what is the minimum height of a guard rail located in front of a grandstand? What is the minimum height of a guard rail located in front of the grandstand? The answer is 0.90 meter. 0.90 meter.